Welcome to cabin 6140 on the Disney Wonder. This is our first time on the Disney ships. It's a little bit different to what we've been on before, but we thought we'd show you around the cabin. There's obviously a very interesting layout with the two bathrooms, one with the toilet and one with the shower and the bath, obviously geared towards families travelling. It's great and I can see the value in it. However, I probably would have preferred one big bathroom, but that's a personal choice. They both come with the normal amenities, all Disney branded. There's a great big wardrobe, actually quite a good size wardrobe, I think. And there appears to be plenty of storage, all the usual stuff in the wardrobe, hangers, life jackets, quite a few drawers here. They look like they're not very deep, but they're actually just 3 drawers, not, oh, there you go, I tell a lie. One very deep drawer, a much shallower drawer, another shallow drawer, and a deep drawer. Quite a good spot to put those things that you want to grab as you're walking out of the cabin. We've got a connecting door cabin because our family is staying next door, so we want to be keeping that locked as much as possible. Again, there is more storage available. Nice deep drawer there, another deep drawer, and a little cabinet with a shelf down below. I do like some of the details that they've got in here that make it quite shippy. So the timber architrave, the Disney prints are quite nice and add that bit of Disney magic to the room. The blue and white colour scheme is lovely, very nautical, and you've got some of the extra Disney features that you see in lots of other videos, like the lights next to the bed that have the little Mickey round the rim of the lights. The room is able to be divided by a curtain. Again, I'm thinking that's more of a family thing. Lovely big couch. A normal adult would be able to lay down on that and have an afternoon siesta. I'm sure it folds out into a single bed. If you were doing a long cruise, you wouldn't be lost for storage options. We're only doing 3 days, so it doesn't really matter to us, but having gone on some very long voyages, this would have been quite handy to keep the cabin nice and neat. So nice cabinet there with shelves in it. I'm guessing this is a mini fridge, which I'm also guessing, if I can open it, has nothing in it. It's kind of cold, not overly cold. A hairdryer in the drawer here. I imagine it's just a normal kind of cruise ship hairdryer. It doesn't look too bad. More shallow drawers and another shallow drawer down there. There is a little pull-out stool and more drawers on this side. Nice deep drawers there, and then the shallow drawers. Beautiful big mirror for getting ready to go out for pirate night. That's a thing apparently. But I'm sure we'll find out more as the cruise goes on. Because we've got really young children travelling with us, we've opted to go for a Navigator cabin. It's just got a few little fun details, some maps on the wall, and probably a little bit more seating than what you would get in a regular balcony cabin. So the kids can come and sit out here. They're protected, they're safe, and they won't be able to have any accidents or lean over the edge. Sitting down on the bench, you can see the water, which is quite nice, and certainly if you're in rough weather or windy weather, you would feel quite protected. Disney's really gone the extra mile, I think, with some of the nautical touches. So the ceiling panels out on the balcony are like canvas sails. So it all adds to that Disney fun and Disney magic. Hope you've enjoyed this look around cabin 6140. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Our full Disney experience is coming soon. In the meantime, check out our other travel adventures.